Baby Hamish. Baby Hamish. Judith, say hi to the camera.
Hi, Auntie.
Oh my God. Hamish, Auntie is shy. All right, so Hamish, no, you'll fall down. You'll fall off the bed. And you don't want it to fall off the bed. So you're all dressed up. Stand up, we see your outfit. Let's see how baby Hamish looks like. Hamish, look at me. Say hi. Say hi. No, say hi to the camera. Yeah? Yes. No, I just need to add Hamish diapers.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam told her so she want to go into the vlogging world. She been actually watching a lot of vlogs on YouTube and seeing how people do their thing. So I feel like saying now she want to come out.
Come out.
She want to come out of her shell.
Speaking pidgin now, you know, I've been watching Nigerian.
She want to come out of her shell now, family. So she said she need the camera. So here you go. She's out of her shell.
Yeah. I don't know. The light is not doing me justice, is it?
The light is good for you because the camera is small.
No, I think because at first I was doing with the phone, right?
Yeah, the phone make it look big up, see, but it's still gonna look big up.
And then I can like see myself, you know.
Oh, yeah, but I have to stop.
Okay, love.
Yeah, don't see yourself when I post the video.
All right then. So guys, we are back, and we are now on our way. I'm here with my baby Hamish. Baby Hamish. Yummy. Ham. Hammy. Say hi. We are back. Hi.
Come on, with man.
Yes,
Hi.
Hi. We are
Hi.
back.
Say hi,
Say
Hammy.
hi.
Hi.
Say
Say
hi.
hi.
We're back.
Say hi.
Yes, guys, we are back. You know, I just did my simple hairstyle. You know, just a quick thing. Did my brows. Yes, and I'm here with my baby Jamesh. Yeah. So, guys, we are on our way to the market. That's where we are going to do our first stop, and then we cross over the road, like we cross the road, and go to Aga Khan for the for Jamesh. You know that, you know, we're just going to the lab. It's not like we are going to the pediatric side, but still, lab, I think I need to also visit the pediatrics, because, or I should just call to book for the next visit.
Yeah.
I should call, or we just go, it's just there, right?
We can just call you another time, but you know.
Alright, yeah, actually from the lab to the pediatrics, it's quite a distance.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to call, because that time they gave us the session or the slot for his next visit, or his last visit, should I say. The protests were very blazing, so the protests were on fire. Actually, do you know that they gave us the slot? It's that day they burnt the parliament.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was on a Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I didn't bother going, because I didn't see the need, because I mean, our safety comes first, and it's not like baby has issues or anything. It's just a regular visit. So we just say let everything calm down, and then we are going to visit when everything is cool. So today we are going to do that blood test, so that by the time we are going to the hospital now for the session, doctor will have his results. Okay, so come with us. We just left home, and Bobo, you wanna say something?
I was going to say I'm happy for you that you start to say something and be confident.
Of course, I normally want to say something, just that my husband doesn't give me this opportunity.
Yeah,
so I'm glad. Yeah, I mean, you normally say I should.
For you or whatever.
Yeah?
You only feel good to talk when I am talking.
Let me tell you, there's something.
When by yourself, you never say nothing.
No, there's something I know about me.
Yeah.
You see, when like now you take up the camera and you're the one doing the talking, like you're not making me involved. Sometimes I lack something to say.
Yeah.
You understand? You understand? Because because now I'm the one who started it, so definitely I won't lack something to say, okay? And I'm also learning from the best, isn't it?
You're learning from.
You know, when you watch somebody, you become a better version of that. I think so.
Yeah, better version of
whoever you're watching.
Yeah.
So I think so far so good. I think I can vlog by myself. Eh?
Okay.
Yes, baby Jamesh, we can vlog.
Ami.
Yes, Ami got his car seat. I think we did it in the last vlog, right? Yeah, Hamesh. Yes, Hamesh got his car seat and is now comfortable. Okay?
Hi, I am Amesh.
Yeah. So say bye-bye, see you in the market.
Bye.
So guys, I'm going to leave baby Jamesh in the car lab, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to leave baby Jamesh with daddy because love, I don't know whether I should say this. Each time we go to the market and you decide to take up the mantle to buy things, sometimes he buys things that, I mean, the kitchen is for the woman, so it's me who knows what I want and how I want things, you know, either ripe or not fully ripe, things like that. So I'm going to do that with the curryman now that, I mean, there's a curryman there. Yeah, so see you. Okay, so guys, I don't know whether we've used, but love, we've not used wrong side. So that's the hospital there, and this is the market. But I think how they've done the road.
No, if you go all the way up.
No, you couldn't have gone all the way up. But I didn't see any car behind us, so I was fearing. But you see how it has done?
Make it look like it's on the wrong side.
No, love, you see what it has done? The full flash was on, if that's how I should say it. You know, you can easily cause an accident.
Where?
Because I wasn't seeing any car behind us.
You never see a car behind us just now when I reach at the end.
I just saw it. Yeah.
The side?
Yes, I did. So
you have insufficient balance.
That's the worst message you want to hear. So guys, we are trying to call the curryman. Kana kuua. Tumetaka kuua in Kikuyu. What's up, Bubu? There's a parking there. Yeah. Your guy is here. So we are trying to reach the guy, our curryman, so that we do this quick. And just there behind me, I don't know whether this camera can show it. Hamesh just woke up, as you can see. Papa, tell them hi. You're just awake. Hi, Papa. Alright, you're still sleepy, right? Yes, Jamesh, we've arrived. We have arrived, I know, right? And I wanted to call him when we were at Muthaiga there, so. Alright. I can even shop, and then I don't know whether I should just send him.
You want to do shopping?
No, but yeah, there's an M-Pesa inside there, so I can just do that.
Hey Peter, I'm actually outside at the pole. Alright.
He's coming?
Yeah, he's coming.
Oh my god. So our house manager is calling me. So guys, let me cut this and then I'll be back shortly. My baby boy Hamesh is asleep. He's asleep. Jammy is just here watching the trees. And Happy is enjoying driving us. Are you? Aki love, sorry. Imagine guys, I forgot baby Hamesh milk and water. So we had to turn back. Yeah, we had to turn back. We are on our way. Seems like there's a little traffic. But this place is always like this. This is DCI headquarters. DCI headquarters, Kiambu Road. Seems like there's something, I don't know, when it's like this, right? Yeah, as you we can see Fanyafujo somewhere here. Those are called Fanyafujo.
Nairobi City Marathon.
Ah, yeah. Oh, at Uhuru Park. This is on my left. Is what? Karura Forest.
Yeah, Karura.
Yeah.
Check it out yet in a man. I need to go.
Guy, imagine love for all the times you've been in Kenya, you've not done whatever. You've not come here inside Karura Forest. But guys, we'll visit soon, right, love? We will visit soon. We'll come all of us, our family of 4, so that we have a good time. Isn't it, love? Yeah, so we are on our way. This is what Kenya looks like. Not the whole of Kenya. Not the whole of Kenya. Just in specific areas like Jambu Road. But I think most places are green.
Yeah, most places very good.
Yeah, most places are very green. And very soon, love, as I promised, I want you to visit Murang'a. Yeah, I have my aunt who lives in Murang'a, so soon or later, Sorry, Hamesh. Sorry. Love your overspeeding.
No, I'm not speeding. You might stop sudden bomb like that.
But I don't know why people today are driving so weirdly. Like the other man who joined in Ridgeways there, he's just getting off the road without even indicating. Yeah. So anyway, guys, we are not so far from the market, like 5-10 minutes away.
Yeah.
Mostly 5 to 10 minutes away, and we'll be there. Yeah.
Yeah, family. So I'm here holding Jamesh while Amesh stuck in his car seat. Seems like he wanna come out. Watch it. What happened to you? You wanna come out? You have to wait till mommy come. Amesh, wait until mommy comes before you can come out. So I'm right here, family, and Jamesh don't like to be in the car. Alright. You like to be outside. You like to be outside to get the fresh air, not true? Yeah, family, so I'm here waiting on Miss Jam Tours to come back. She's going to pick this stuff then. And everybody's getting miserable right now. Amesh, stop it. Stop it. Okay? Mommy soon come to take care of you, okay? Take you out. Alright? Alright. Let me give you some milk. You want something to drink? Let me give you something to drink, okay? Alright, let me give Amesh something to drink. Alright, Amesh. Now I give Amesh something to drink. Amesh there, bye. Seems like you want to be outside. You want to be outside, right? Jamesh want to be outside. He want to get the cool breeze. Eh? Jamesh? Jammy. Look for me, boy. Look. Oh, my little oh. Jamesh. Yes, boy. You in the sun, eh? Woohoo. Mr. Woohoo. This is Mr. Woohoo. Not you. Like you feel good to be outside. You feel good to be outside, not you, Mr. Outside? He's Mr. Outside. That's really not talking.
No, I was waiting on you. I mean, that's etiquette. I'm waiting on you to like finish talking. But I keep telling you, there's no way two people can be talking at the same time and you expect to know who will be listened to.
Okay.
You understand? Good. So welcome back, guys. I didn't manage to like come this way now. I want to go against the sun. Guys, I didn't manage to vlog inside the market because of unavoidable circumstances. So I managed to buy everything I wanted. These are onions, tomatoes. It's tomatoes or tomatoes?
Anyone?
Tomatoes.
Same thing, same difference.
It depends with what you English, isn't it? Okay. And besides, Kenya is Kenya from? It's London or London, UK, wherever. Anyway, so we managed to buy everything. These holdings are for like I don't think 5,000 Kenyan shillings finished. Okay. So basically, I bought everything I wanted, and yeah, that's it. So we're gonna cross over, go to the hospital, get Jamesh sorted out, then head over to Sarit. Okay? Yeah. So guys, we are still at the market. There was some change of activity. There was some change of activity because Brand Jammed Reggae Bistro, that's the restaurant. So make sure you pull up to come check out the Jamaican. It's called Jamaican Cuisine.
Yeah, Jamaican authentic restaurant right there in Lavington, 1148 Gitanga Road. It's Gitanga or Gitonga? Which one?
Now today you said it well. It's Gitanga Road
Gitanga
in Lavington,
Road,
right?
Lavington family. So pull up and show up. Grand opening on the 13th. You know what I mean? We have like Nicky Z from Zip FM,
Hey.
G Money. You know what I mean? From one extra from the UK. You know what I mean? All of these people gonna be there, family. So pull up and show up. Come for the food, and the music will be live from our Jamaican DJ, radio DJ. So pull up and show up, family.
Because
13th.
because Mr. and Mrs. Jam Tours will be there, so you have to be there. Okay. Anyway, so we were also shopping. We just remembered that when we got here, of course things are so cheap in the market because you know, the suppliers bring things every day, like the goods, fruits, you know, the veggies, everything. So after shopping for our stuff for the house, Habi remembered that we also needed to shop for the restaurant. So that's what we are doing. We are just waiting for the curry man. Let me show them what we normally mean.
Yeah, that's the sweet pepper, right?
Oh, no, I
1
said,
kg
Jenny.
each.
Yeah, 1 kg.
Green,
1 kg,
yellow,
1 kg.
yeah, perfect.
Okay, no, how much?
120.
120?
Yeah.
Out
300,
of
300.
300.
Yeah.
All right, that's fine. This is the Uber for carrying the things.
Uber.
This Uber, let me show it to you nicely. And this is our Uber guy. Peter, say hi so that when they come, they can be.
Yeah, like
Yes.
the foreigners when you come.
Exactly.
Yes.
And you come to this market, it's in Parklands.
Yes.
You can just link up Jam Tours.
Peter will
And we can link you up with Peter. You can see your number on the camera, Peter. So
Peter will shop for you.
Yeah.
Peter gonna buy aku.
My number is 0705
Uh-huh.
08
Uh-huh.
26 69.
0705082669.
69. Thank you.
All right.
Leather thing.
Yeah.
Catch this man.
Oh yeah, he's selling
What you
some nice
selling?
leather stuff. Unauza aje?
1200.
Okay. Na ni pure leather.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So we're just
Hatutanunua leo
promoting it, right?
lakini.
On the internet, so people can maybe call you. You want to put your number there?
0723
Uh-huh.
54 90 14.
Good. Asante. Yeah.
All right, so guys, if you want a leather belt and stuff, check him out.
Yeah.
All right, family, we gone.
So, fita ni dogo yetu hebido.
Yeah.
Eh.
All right, so
Ye kaithafu. Niwe mathematician. Warusi gokete giri na meri.
1200.
Time wigana.
Plus
oh, wait, two sides. Yeah.
600, 720. 100 and 200.
I don't like how this falling.
Ate? Yetogo ni ukugulite. Na nyanya.
Next time I'll come
So,
out, man.
tengeneza ndai sahi
2020.
I understand,
Oh,
but
nyanya
I really
lakini
don't like this
kwa
style
sima
because this
Sima
is
na
too
chetu.
falling.
Oh, nisiyo bado tidania hapa. Oh, kandio. Oh, sawa.
This one too big
2020.
for me anyway.
Sawa. All right. So guys, that's the end of that. We are headed to Sarit. We won't go to the hospital because I think time has really gone. We can do that tomorrow because it was just a blood test anyways. Yeah, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. Bye guys, see you in Sarit. There goes daddy and son. Daddy and son. Daddy. Boo boo. Look at your boy. No. So love. Okay. Well, I'll just be here outside waiting. So Bubu has gone to this Forex Bureau. Okay, sorry. Right. I'm being told not to vlog. Hamish! 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 Go and play with those kids. Hamish! Hamish! Hammy! Yeah. Oh, nice sneakers, huh? Nice sneakers. So guys, we are headed to Max. Max is there. That's Max. Where is it? Yeah, this is the Max. Hamish, we need to go to Love, where is that our studio again? It's normally on this floor on the Nairobi Sports. Love, Hamish. Hamish. Hamish is really enjoying out today, so it's rain all the way and I don't think I have that strength to go all the way, so Daddy will grab him. Stay tuned. So guys, we are in Max already. I'm here to spoil my hubby. Hubby needs to look good, of course. If I'm to choose these two colors, definitely I'll choose this.
Choose this one.
Yeah. Which size is that?
Extra large.
Oh my god, will it fit you? You do large, but you know they come with different fittings. So you could try. Let Hamish do his thing. I don't think he's destroying something, right? Right, love?
These are here on the shirt here.
But I think it's thick, right? What of this, love? Try this.
This one is for 2, yeah.
Even these ones are nice. This color.
See the other ones are short sleeve.
So guys, let's shop first, and then we are going to show you what we have bought. All right?
The one is for 2, yeah. You know,
Which?
You know, some is for 16. This.
But those are t-shirts, like those light shirts, eh?
Light.
Yeah, like that.
We
I
can
think.
have one. Oh, this color, like this color.
Right, guys, let's choose because
And this one is
I'm
thick
so careful
velvet.
with material and color and all that. So
Oh, this one is
let's
for
choose, and then
2,000,
we're going to show what we bought, right? So guys, hubby is all dressed up. Let me show you from top. Stand like that. Yay, that's the outfit. All right. My hubby is all up. Turn around. Let's see. You look nice. How do you feel in them? Yeah. You feel nice? Yeah. We are all of us here fitting you. Yeah, you look. Oh, sorry. So guys, no. So you look cute. Turn back. You look nice. Eish.
This size is what, 36?
Hubby is getting small. Of course, it's 36, love. You look nice. Love, chill, mama. Put on the other. This place is warm, eh?
Yeah, it's so warm because there's room.
It's Very warm. Wow. You see, I was telling you that matches that, and then this other one matches this. Hey. Happy. You look nice.
Thank you. Thank you for dressing me.
You're welcome, my love.
Miss Jam was dressing me, guys. Dressing me really good. And that's good.
Yep.
So, let's go.
So guys, I'm changing my husband's wardrobe because he's used to coming. Yes, we come together, we shop, but he selects what he feels is always good for him. But I know what is good for him. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Yes. So you love that? Jesus Christ! I'm telling you, a toddler. Toddlers are no joke, by the way. Toddlers and baby Jamesh behind. Guys, as I told you earlier, I forgot the stroller, but it's all fine. I feel like we are becoming so modernized until we are forgetting. I mean, and this is so comfortable.
Forget simplicity.
Yeah, simplicity is always the best, by the way.
Simplicity we use to provide. Some of them find it ignorant, but they're ignorant and I.
And I don't leave my
Your
lesson.
Simplicity we use to survive. Yeah, simplicity is what to survive.
Yeah.
All of this technology should take it away. We used to survive. You have to go back to simplicity.
Yeah.
And go back to the way you used to do it in nature.
Yeah.
Your family, so. Yeah.
And I'm feeling like even baby is much comfortable like this because if he was in the stroller, by the way, oh my God, I'll have to carry the baby and carry the stroller at the same time. You know? So it's much easier this way. So yes, let's change hubby's wardrobe. I'll be changing it.
These pants, they're very old.
I know.
I'll put new one then.
I'll be changing your wardrobe every month.
That's every month.
Yes. Father's Day was not so long ago. At least I did whatever I did. So this is it. And I'm glad you love the outfit. I'm sure you're feeling like not even putting on that trouser you have. You love? You feel like putting on that trouser you have? So guys, we are on our way home. It was a very, very wonderful day. It was actually very sunny. It was actually very sunny, and I suspected that it might rain, and yes, it has actually rained. We have a very, very heavy downpour. I'm going to show that to you. Jamesh is breastfeeding, and at least we got what we wanted for the day, love, right?
Yeah.
The day was nice. So let me show you what outside looks like. Yeah. Outside looks that way, you know, as you can see from the you know, from my window. What's up, Amesh? What's up? It's not coming out. Pull.
Oh, so we got Renaissance really, right?
Yeah, going straight.
Oh, and then come back to Renaissance.
Yeah. So it's really, really raining in Nairobi, KE, in the 254. So we opted to use Limuru Road because Hamish, what's up?
Oh, the turn, so we go back so.
No. Follow that TX or whatever black car. Sorry. Love, you can't see clearly. Sorry to ask.
No, because we asked the question and we never.
All right. Follow the white car, straight onwards. Yes. So guys, we're gonna cut it at part. What's up, Hamish? What's up? Hamish didn't want to leave the mall actually.
That's why he's crying. That's why you're crying, boy.
Yeah, he didn't want to leave much because he was busy pulling the trolleys, up and down. Hamish, stop it. Don't do that, okay? Yeah, so guys, it's a wrap. We're gonna wrap it at that. Yes, and we go home. Yes, so guys, we're gonna see you on our next one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Jam Tours family loves you so much, just like you show us some love. Right, so take care of yourselves. Bye bye.